Hello chosen ones! In this video, I'm going to show you how to get sand in Witchspire. To get sand, you'll need to head to a shoreline area on the map. If you're using a hearth location similar to mine, there's a shoreline just to the north that you can travel to. Once you arrive, you'll likely notice some speaker roaming around the area as well. These can also be farmed if you're looking to gather carapaces for crafting or upgrades at the same time. While exploring the shoreline, keep an eye on the ground as you move around. You'll find sparkling patches of sand that can be collected directly. These resources do respawn over time, so you don't need to worry about running out or over-farming the area. Since sand is primarily used in crafting items like potion vials, it's a good idea to gather and store a large amount whenever you pass through this region. Having a steady supply on hand will make future crafting much more convenient, and that's about it on how to get sand in Witchspire. If this video helped, please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more quick guide videos. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next side quest.